Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're tackling how to backup files on Google Drive in 2025. With cyber threats evolving faster than ever, keeping your files safe is essential, and Google Drive is one of the best tools for that. Whether you're protecting family photos, important documents, or work projects, this step-by-step guide will have you covered in no time. First off, why bother backing up? In 2025, data breaches are more common, and losing files can mean losing memories or even your livelihood. Google Drive offers secure, cloud-based storage with plenty of features to make the process seamless. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Head over to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, it's quick and free to set up. Just go to accounts.google.com. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click the plus new button in the top left corner. You can upload files from your computer by selecting File Upload, or simply drag and drop them into the interface. For larger backups, use the Google Drive app on your phone or the Drive for Desktop app on your computer. Step 3. To automate things, download and install Google Drive for Desktop from the official Google site. This app lets you sync specific folders, so your files back up in real time without any extra effort. Step 4. In the app settings, choose which folders to include and set up any preferences, like how often to sync. Remember, Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage, but you can upgrade if you need more. Step 5. After uploading, always verify your backup. Search for your files in Google Drive and open a few to make sure they're intact. This step is crucial to avoid surprises later. A few pro tips for 2025. Enable two-factor authentication on your Google account for added security, organize your files into folders for easy access, and regularly check your storage usage to stay under limits. That way, your backups stay efficient and secure. There you have it. Backing up your files on Google Drive is straightforward and can save you a ton of headaches. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.